have not been changed so that your friends can make fun of you tomorrow. Any similarity between the characters depicted here and any actual persons is completely intentional.
Well, so far so good. It's starting to print. Dad helped me recalibrate the stuff. And we're gonna see how far we go. Okay, so we're at 31%. And it looks okay so far. Looks good so far. I like it. This is 50% done. Seems to be good. It's got the layers on there that I can see. I should go down there, but I don't feel like doing that just yet. I did go back and forth, but yeah, it's got 50% done. And it looks like it's going okay, but you know, this is 3D printing, so anything bad can happen. Yeah, always expect the worst whenever you're 3D printing. 65%. Seems like it's doing alright. But again, I'm skeptical. So we're gonna keep this window up. And I'm getting hungry. So I need some Chipotle. Okay, so we're getting there. Hopefully we're getting there. Yeah. This is gonna be possibly good. Almost at 90%, which is really good so far. And in the off time, I'm listening to reviews of the next Doctor Who episode of In Gooty's Walk on Grass. Oh my god, I don't like him. I really don't like this. Sure, they added a deaf person, that's really great, but how's the audience learning about this when, you know, just how is the audience learning about diverse and inclusion when we're not on set and they are learning about it? And there we have it. It is done. Now I just need to wait for it to get cold, do its thing, cut the poop. Did several poops. Now it's raising. That's so cool. Printing completed. Well, at least it's in the back. You can see that white line up there. You can see that right here. Across. And then up there. But you're not going to be able to see this part anyway, so that's okay. Piece right here is from a failed attempt, but it's going to go over like that. So, yeah. And there we are. The back of it, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Also, go find my merch on Redbubble. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so what it's doing now is calibrating. Calibrating right now. See those ends? Those are called poops. So right now it's just measuring the plate. And it should be the right size. So, yeah. And it does that to get rid of excess filament. And now it's shaping Knuckles. So, isn't that cool?
There it is printing now.
Okay, so far, 20%. That's doing well. God, I wish that I could show you how well that is, but the camera's just not doing it well. But yeah, this one's gonna take 3 hours. So, yeah. Maybe you can tell from that. That's fun, yeah. But yeah, that's cool. And then I'm gonna do another TARDIS after this one.
There's a better look of it. Can't really see the screen. That's fine. That's it. Here's the setup again. Wide angle of it. Yeah. It's doing alright. Done. It's almost done. Yeah. It's gonna be cool. I hope so. I hope he's gonna like it. Whew. I'm thinking I'm doing Bakugo stuff now because I want to get that cosplay done. So, we'll see.
Many months later.
And after a few days, it's done. So thanks for waiting on this. I know I got a different shirt because it's a different day, because you probably saw that within a few days late now video, but yeah, this is the finished product. He saw it. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, so thank you. Thank you, Poppers and Stalkers, especially you, Alicia Nestman, who wants to frame me for stalking. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Isn't it cool? I love it. I love that. That's cool. Yeah. This is gonna be for my buddy Andrew. You can check him out on his stuff. He does AI music as well as I do on an off day. And don't forget to stay Gwen's sanity. Love you all. Thank you, Poppers and Stalkers, for everything that you've done, for these 3,000 subscribers that you've gotten me this year, these past years. So thank you for that. And 3D printing has become an awesome hobby. You know, because if you're into something, if you're into a hobby that someone else is in, that means that you're a stalker. Keep that in mind. So, catch you later.
All my friends are dead and they don't like me anymore. They moved along, they changed, and now they find me quite a bore. Way back then it was okay.